All right, my name is Chris Holman. Been in the program for about four classes now. Turn his music down. I think I'm going to graduate roughly in about 2 years, taking my sweet time with this. Um, what I intend to do with this degree is start a private practice out here in Southern California, and hopefully I can work with young African American males and females to do my best to facilitate growth and understanding of the male female dynamic between young black couples. When you look into the numbers, divorce is on the rise, coupling is low. Um, Attitudes towards marriage and towards coupling is, woeful. So I want to do my best to bring some light, bring some solutions, and bring some strategies to help people, manage their conflicts and stay together. Because the family is the base, the economic base is the base for the children, it's the base for the future. So we got to do our job to put the family back together. Hopefully, what I can get from this class is to ensure that I'm going deep inside to make sure that I'm dealing with my cultural blind spots and whatever prejudices that I have going on because, you know, being a minority, so-called minority, it's easy to assume that we're immune from that, but of course we're not. So just want to make sure that I'm doing my part to go inward and to root out and shine a light on things that's going on inside of me so I could be more objective, more effective as a counselor. So with that, the lights is out, and so am I.